Hello, I am Professor Kakade Aryam from Artsu Technical Campus MBA Department. Subject name is Service Marketing and Chapter 2 Traditional Marketing Mix Elements in Service. So today I will discuss your point service promotion. What is meant by service promotion? The customer buys a combination of product, price and place, not having been convinced of the availability of all these factor to this satisfaction. He then buys and images when he buys the service and the attached product. Okay, the promotion mix in the creation of the perception building activities and exercise at it is a part of marketing mix can be separate from it. The consumer while buying identify services may buy different things for this personal satisfaction. Some of the things he buys means the image of the service in relation to other service brands on the offer, and the image of the service provided in relation to other service providers. Then, and the self image created by him through the use of marketing and other promotional efforts adopted by the service provided, that is service promotion. Then including point objective of service promotion. What is the objective of service promotion? Service promotion, as we have learned, is a part of the marketing mix and cannot be separated from the offer elements and the marketing mix. Means when a service organization speed of the service promotion, the act will be involve promotion all elements of the marketing mix. Comparison the tangible and the intangible essential of the material of a material service, the price and the service delivery place along with the physical evidence. The personal involved in a service of the perception that the service provider want to create about the service is selling. Okay, by following below objective sales promotion, then feel the able achieve results. So first one, motivating intermediates. What is meant by motivating intermediates? Intermediates means middleman play a very significant role in promoting service in service marketing. The service term many times of carry out promotion companies of the motivate the intermediates and the promote their service facilities to gain better customer of the service delivery point. Next, increasing awareness of new service. What is meant by increasing awareness of new service? All promotion are credited at the essential stage to create awareness about the service provided among the target universal of the customer and product. The entire effort of the firm this level is to make sure that new customers are not only informed of the service but they are also attached to the visit service administrative point and the buy the service of the firm. So next, competitive sales strategy. What is meant by competitive sales strategy? That is, the companies can be directed at the trading intermediates, means middlemen, customer, and inform the about the competitive strength of the service marketing firm. The firm can do outring often against the claim by being competitive. It is companies or it adopt the deficiency strategy. Of the strategy decide promotion meaning a times of director toward taking a stand against the strategy adopted by the competitor selling similar and identical service. That is objective of service promotion. Motivating intermediates, increasing awareness of new service and competitive sales strategy. So next point, role of marketing communication. What is in by role of marketing communication? The following points are the role that the marketing communication follows. So first one, add value through communication content. Information the consultancy are the important ways to add value of product. Potential customer may need information and advice about the what service option are available to them, where and when these services are available, how much they cost, and what features, function, and service benefits there are. That is value through communicate content. So next, position and differentiation the service. Communication efforts service not only to attract new users but also the maintain contact with the organization existing customer and build relationship with them. Marketing communication is used to convince potential and current customer about the firm superior performance on the departmental attributes. Firm must use marketing communication as pursue target customer that their service efforts the best solution in meeting the consumer's needs. So next, facility customer involvement in service production means customer need training to help the perform well well. When they are actively involved service promotion, the company also benefits when customer perform well since the productivity increase. By showing service delivery in action is a good way to train customer. Television and videos are effective because of their ability to interest the viewer and to show sequence of events in visual form. That is facilities customer involvement in service promotion. So next point, similarity of the demand simulate of the demand to match capacity means many live service performance such as the buy get one free, haircut on are time specific, they cannot be used a later time. Advertising and sales promotion can help to change the timing of customer use and thus help to match demand the when available capacity in a given time. That is role of marketing communication. So thank you so much.